Before we start, this video is separated into chapters. Feel free to move ahead in this video to access the information you need. Please reference the timestamps labeled below on the progress bar or listed in the video's description. Today I'll be showing you how to fill out a financial disclosure affidavit. You need this form for different reasons. 1. Going to court. The first time you are summoned to court for child support, you'll be mailed the summons package. This package contains a financial disclosure affidavit form. It helps the court understand your income and expenses needed to establish a court order. Bring it filled out to court. 2. Your financial circumstances change. If your income decreases or increases by 15%, you can request a change to your child support order to match your new income. To request a change in your order, you need to petition the court and fill out the financial disclosure affidavit form. 3. Agreement process. You will also have to fill out this form if you decide to establish or modify an order using our agreement program. If you need the form, you can download it online at the link on the screen located in the description of this video. If you can't fill out the form completely, that's okay. Fill out as much as you can. Okay, let's get started. The top section of the form lists the documents that you should bring with you to court. If you don't have all the documents, bring as many as you can. In the next section, provide the name of your county, file number, and docket number. Court date, time, and part. This can be found in your summons if you got one. If not, leave it blank. Then make sure to print your name here to acknowledge that the information you're providing is accurate. Continue to the income section. In this section, you will enter information about your employment. On the first line, write your employer's name. Or, if you work for yourself, write self-employed. On the line to the right, write the number of hours that you work each week. If it varies, it's okay to estimate. For gross income, fill in how much you make before taxes. For take-home income, fill in how much you make after taxes. On the next line, write any other income you receive. This might be from cash assistance, SNAP, or money you receive from renting a spare room. If you need documentation on your status, we can help you. Fill in the amount you make and how often. Also include the source of income, such as receipt of the amount of a benefit you receive. Enter the number of people that live in your current household with you. For example, enter 2 if you live with a new partner and another child. Continue filling in the rest of the section. Moving on to health insurance coverage, you must bring proof of your insurance coverage and the cost to court. If you have health insurance available through employment but have not signed up for it, you still must bring proof of the coverage and cost. Bring the cost to add 1 or more children to your insurance. Fill in the appropriate box for how you receive your health coverage. If you do not have health insurance, check I don't have health insurance coverage located on the top of page 2. Now continue through this section filling out the information, including writing how much you pay for the insurance. If an employer makes the payment for you, the amount should be on your pay stub. Next, check the appropriate box for the child or children's health insurance coverage. Continue down to assets. On the first line under assets, if you have a savings account, write the bank name and your balance, which is the amount you have in your savings account. On the next line, if you have a checking account, write the bank name and the current balance. Continue through this section filling out the information. If you have any other assets, you may attach another page if necessary. Continue down to expenses. In the next section, you will record your monthly expenses. If an expense doesn't apply to you, you can leave the space blank or write NA. If you are self-employed, for example, a taxi driver, make sure to bring expenses related to the business, such as your trip sheets. Continue to the next section called loans and debt. If you don't have any loans or debt, you can leave this blank. If you have more loans or debt than can be listed here, you can attach another page. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to watch part 2 of this video series that covers the required documents that you must bring to court with you. The link for part 2 is available to click at the end of this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and please visit the New York City Office of Child Support Services website at nyc.gov/HRA/OCSS for the latest information.